Hello everyone, today I will present our revenue cycle analysis for Shanziwei's restaurant. Established in January 2024, Shanziwei is a small-sized Chinese casual dining brand running with a lean team of 6. By examining their business structure, we see that dine-in service represents 85% of their sales. Our core objective is to map their cash flow life cycle, analyzing menu efficiencies, and safety their business cycle from operation leakages. It consists of 5 key phases. First, customer orders are captured either through QR code or by manual service entry. Second, the POS transmits these orders to physical printers in the kitchen. Third, serves deliver food matching the print ticket. Fourth, the cashier processes payment through the POS. Finally, the shift ends with a manual recognition where cash and card slips are compared with POS report inside Microsoft Excel. Why focus on the revenue cycle? As shown on slide 3, approximately 90% of the restaurant's daily operations euros originate here. First, order changes are completely variable without any supervisor approval, creating high risk of revenue leakage. Second, physical receipts are thrown away after just 3 months, and there are 0 digital backups. This leaves the restaurant exposed to severe tax compliance risks and complete loss of historic audit trails.
Now I will evaluate the current revenue cycle of Shanzi restaurant based on 5 areas. First, let's look at the process structure. Overall, the restaurant has a clear workflow. The process starts when customer places their orders, followed by order transmission to the kitchen, food preparation, payment processing, and finally end-to-shift reconciliation. The POS system helps send orders directly to the kitchen, which improves communication and reduces delays. However, there are still some weaknesses. Customers can place orders either verbally or through QR code ordering, which creates inconsistency in the process. In addition, order modification and cancellation can handled through verbal communication only, without any formal documentation. This can lead to misunderstanding and difficulties in tracking changes. Next, in terms of digital usage, the restaurant has adapted some useful digital tools. The POS system records sales translation, and QR code ordering allows customers to place orders more conveniently. This technique helps improve efficiency compared to a fully manual system. However, several activities still rely on manual work. For example, service may write down order before entering them into the POS system, and the daily sales reconciliation is completed using Microsoft Excel. Important documents are also stored in paper form. Therefore, digital techniques is being used, but it has not been fully integrated into the entire revenue cycle. The third area is data management. Although translation data is stored in the POS system, supporting documents such as recipe and order tickets are kept physically and discarded after 3 months. More importantly, there is no digital backup system. If physical records are lost or damaged, important information may be lost. In addition, order changes and cancellation are not properly recorded, which reduces the accuracy and reliability of business data. The fourth area is governance. Internal controls are relatively weak because there is no formal process for order modification and cancellation. Another issue is the use of a share account in the POS system. When several employees use the same account, it becomes difficult to identify who made specific changes. The restaurant also lacks an audit trail to track translation activity, which reduces accountability and increases the risk of errors. Finally, the restaurant has a very low level of AI readiness. The current system mainly focuses on processing translation and does not support functions such as sales forecasting, customer analysis, or inventory planning. According to the owner, there is a need to better understand customer preference and predict busy periods. However, the lack of digital records and historical data makes AI implementation difficult at the moment. Overall, Sean's restaurant has a functional revenue cycle supported by basic data tools. However, there are significant weaknesses in data management, governance, and AI readiness. This issue highlights several areas for improvement, which will be discussed in the next session.
Okay, let's move to the currency workflow's key risks and issues. First, let's look at the key issues in our main revenue cycle workflow. We don't need to go through every step again. I will highlight the risks we found. For the order placement and entry, verbal orders are easy to misunderstand or regard incorrectly. When surveyors manually enter this into the post, it often leads to wrong order details, and system integration issues can sometimes stop QR orders from being sent to the post correctly. Next, for the kitchen and the delivery. If kitchen printers break or have delays, we got incorrect order tickets which leads to wrong food being prepared, and during the busy time it's also easy for surveyors to deliver food to the wrong table, and it will cause the customers complaints. Last, for the payment and reconciliation. Inaccurate order details from earlier steps can lead to payment discrepancies later. And right now, we do end-of shift reconciliation manually in Excel, which is time-consuming and very prone to human error. Next, let's talk about the risks in our special process. For the other modification or cancellation, when customers want to change or cancel an order, we only handle it through verbal communication. There's no formal approval, no written regards, and no adult trail. This means the kitchen or cashier might not get the update correctly, and we cannot track changes later. And for the document retention, we only keep physical copies of order tickets and receipts for just 3 months, without digital backups. This puts us at a high risk of losing documents to damage or misplacement, and we cannot easily access all the records when we need them.
Now I'll get the gap analysis and probable improvement of Sean's restaurant. First, let's look at the section 4 gap analysis. We found 4 major problems in the current system. Number 1 is governance gap. All 6 employees share a single post login, so there is zero accountability. Order changes are completely verbal with no supervisor approval and no audience checks. Number 2 is system fragmentation. The standalone post is disconnected from the car payment terminal. This requires 30 to 40 minutes of manual exile, entry ID, and cost an untraceable cash shortage of 4,415 ringgit last month. Number 3 is process disconnection. The third-party QR ordering is disconnected from the kitchen printer. This causes 3 to 5 missed orders per week, losing 5 to 800 ringgit every month. Lastly, number 4 is compliance risks. Paper receipts are thrown away after only 3 months, creating tax compliance risks. Also, there is no digital data, so the AI readiness score is only 1 out of 5. To solve these gaps, we propose a subscription-based cloud POS system. Here are 3 main reasons why we choose it. First, financial flexibility. This system shifts heavy capital costs to a small month subscription of 100 to 150 ringgit. This is perfect for a 6-employee micro enterprise. Second, data persistence. It uses automated cloud backups to replace paper discard habits, ensuring data security and tax compliance. Third, low learning curve. The intuitive touchscreen interface minimums training time for a small family-based workforce.
like to share our new to-be lifestyle. It connects everything in 4 simple steps. First is the digital entry. We use a secure QR and PIN system to check every transaction safely. Second is instant transfer. Order go directly to the crowd and printers, so we never miss a single order. Third is payment matching. It automatically connects our POS system to terminal and checks service bank logos. Finally, AI analytic. The system automatically matches shift and forecasts peak hour demand. With this new lifestyle, our business will run much faster and smarter.
This slide shows the direct impact of our proposed cloud POS system on Sean's restaurants. First, in terms of efficiency, the new system can reduce manual work. Currently, staff need to spend time checking record and reconciling transactions manually. With automated reconciliations, these tasks can be completed much faster, saving around 13 to 40 minutes every day seconds. The system improves accuracies. In a current process, manual data entry may lead to mistakes. By automatically synchronizing transaction information, the new system reduces human error and improves the reliability of financial record. Third, the system strengthens control. As present, employees share login accounts and there is no proper audio thread. With role-based access control, manager approve, and audio thread management can be better monitor activities. Finally, the system improves performance. Better communication between order and payments process can reduce missed orders, improve service quality, and increase customer satisfaction. Overall, the process cloud POS system can help the restaurants operate more efficiently. In conclusion, our analysis identified several weaknesses in current revenue cycle, including shared login accounts, manual reconciliation process, missed order, missed data retention, and low AI readiness. To address these issues, we propose a cloud POS-based solution that includes automated reconciliations, role-based access controls. These improvements are expected to deliver significant benefits, including higher efficiency, better accuracies, and strong inter-controls. Overall, the proposed solutions is practical, affordable, and making it suitable for supporting Sean's restaurants' long-term growth and digital transformations. That's all for our group presentation. Thank you.